Before we begin installing your new hand dryer, let's look over our installation checklist. Additionally, it's very important to follow these basic rules before beginning to ensure a safe and successful installation. On page 2 of our installation instructions, you'll find a list of recommended fasteners for attaching the back plate to the wall. Here we are fastening to a masonry wall, so a 1/2-inch expansion sleeve and a 1/4-inch lag bolt will do the trick. Next, select the appropriate mounting height. Note that there are suggested heights on page 2 of the instructions. You can also visit ada.gov to view regulations concerning installation height and accessibility. Affix the base plate at all 4 corners to the wall, and you can use the 2 additional holes in the middle and left side for a more secure installation. Make certain the electricity to the dryer is turned off before installing. Earlier, we identified the voltage of your dryer on the rating sticker of the unit. Once the correct voltage is verified, connect to the dedicated branch circuit. And again, we do recommend installation being handled by a licensed electrician. Secure the electrical wiring to the terminals. There are a number of ways to run electricity to the unit. If from the rear, as in this case, there are 2 electrical knockouts available to bring in your power. One is on the upper left-hand side of the wall plate, and the other is on the lower right-hand side of the wall plate. An identified ground connection point is supplied on the base plate for your equipment ground wire. At this point, you may want to consider adjusting the sound speed control. Replace cover using the 2 cover screws. Then restore power and test!